Hey guys. Oh, sorry. Hey guys. So there's 2 more days until I release the new episode. Actually, 3 more days until I release the new trailer. Today we're gonna be feeding my bird. His name is Blue. You guys remember him? Little parrot. Yes. Right here. I put an apple right there, and look at him. Look at him. No. She's crazy. She's eating plastic. I already stopped her. She's literally dangerous. She can bite me, gang. If I even try to touch her, she's gonna bite me. So, here's my bird, guys. It's okay. Here's another piece of apple. Put another one right there. Stop, Rosa. That's not good for you. Look at him. Look at him. He's going towards it. He sees it. He sees it. No. Oh, look who's down right there, sleeping on his little bed. I'm kidding. Look at what we have here. Wait, let me check if it's... Nobody else. Hey. God dang. Hey guys. So I'm gonna be feeding my bird some apples. Sorry for showing the knife. Yeah, I'm just using the knife to cut the apples. Nothing too serious. I haven't upgraded the new villain yet. He looks pretty cool right now, but I haven't upgraded him. But yeah, he's gonna be like, he's just gonna show his back. In the second one, he's not gonna be like really. Aquí. Todavía estás comiendo. He doesn't like to swallow it, but he likes to chew on it because it has juice. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 pieces in total. I don't know if he's gonna eat it. If he doesn't, seriously, I just gave you that piece. There he goes. The reason why I'm not showing the other bird is because she doesn't really like anything. Like if you try to touch her, she's gonna bite you, and she can cut off your finger. So I don't even try to touch her. Oh heck no.
Tastes better with peanut butter.
It's not even for me, it's for Blue. I know Blue can eat peanut. Never mind. It's okay. No pasa nada. Ay. Aquí está el pedazo.
¿Cuánto le echa la gente? Como 2, ¿no? 2, una y media.
Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh my god! It's okay. Here it is. It's right here. Okay. Damn. That bird could just cut you, but this one can cut your finger off. Okay, I left her an apple right there. You guys can see. She's not amused. She does not want no apple.
Como la gente que hace el primer
You guys see? No. Just gonna put it in one of these two right here. Okay, can I show you guys? Okay. Apple. Apple, guys. Always give birds apple. Always feed your birds vegetables. Ay, cálmate. Te voy a decir nada, solo te quiero decir hola. 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 Hey, Blue. Blue. Aquí. Aquí. Aquí, ven, ven. Ven. ¿Ya no? Aquí te la pongo. Aquí te la pongo. No me mueres. As you can see, looks like he doesn't want anymore. It looks like he's gonna try to fly. So I'm just gonna try to take that apple back. Let me try to take my apple back. You guys saw that, right? Look at him enjoy his apple. Guys, what's happening? As you can see, that wow. Oh, you're really that really disrespectful, gang. Leave an apple right here. Right here. Okay. Okay. Can you eat it or not? Yeah. Eat that apple. I'll rub that in my booty, guys. I'm kidding. Hi. Hey. Hi. Watch this, guys. What? Blah, 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 blah. Dad, is there a way you can figure out to make her stop eating the little Quito Rosa? She keeps eating this and she swallows it. Look.
Right? Spit it out.
Spit it. Hey, I wanna. Stop it. Spit it. She swallowed it. I can't even do anything. Blue's not even doing that. He's just enjoying his apple, but Rosa, she just... Stop it! Stop it! Don't eat that. Stop! Stop it. Hey.
Grab the plate, kind of scare her.
Alright. Stop it. Stop it. Hey, stop it. Don't eat that. Mala. Mala. Oh. Sorry, boo. I'm just trying to make her stop. Okay, I'm just gonna put that right there. Yeah, go over there. Don't. Go over there. Yeah, look at you. An apple, apple, apple. Look at Lucky, guys. What a piece of apple. You guys see that, right? Took a little bite. Corner, you guys. Rosa. Back. Stop it, stop it. Vete para allá. Don't eat that. Go over here. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, look at the little carrot eating his little apple. Okay, I'll put the rest in the fridge. I think you're full. I'm gonna put the rest of the apples in the fridge. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, that's good. Blue ate 6 apples. Well, actually, he ate 10 or 13 because he ate a lot before.
so.
I don't know what's gonna stop her. Look at him eat his apple.